Now coming to the actions of testosterone. In our previous video we have discussed about the synthesis of testosterone, its regulation by LH and its transport. Now testosterone is anabolic hormone, so it has anabolic effects, and first we will discuss that. It generally increases the synthesis of proteins, increases the synthesis of protein and decreases its breakdown, and increase in protein synthesis will always lead to the growth. So increase the synthesis and decrease the breakdown of the proteins, which is related to which increase the rate of growth. And secondary to the anabolic effect, it also increases because in growth we require sodium, potassium, water, calcium, sulfate. These type of ions are required in growth, so its retention is required during the growth. So testosterone also helps in retaining these ions, and while retaining these ions, it increases the functioning of the kidney, so sometimes it also increases the size of kidney. Now coming to the third, it causes several secondary sex characteristic developments in puberty time. Now discuss one by one. The first one is external genitalia. It increases length and width of the penis, the male copulatory organ, and it also darkens the scrotum, that is scrotum becomes pigmented. Moving to the internal genitalia, it will increase the size of all the three: seminal vesicle, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland. Its size will increase and also its secretion will increase together. Size and secretion both will increase of these three glands. Now coming to the voice, due to the action of testosterone, larynx enlarges, vocal cords length increase, which will make voice deeper in male. Clear? Now coming to the hair growth. In men, bud start to appear by the start of the secretion of the testosterone. Pubic hair also grows with male pattern. What is the male pattern of pubic growth? That is, the pubic hair is triangular with base apex. Triangular with apex up, like this. Pubic hair growth in male. And hair also appears in axilla, chest and around anus. Now coming to the mental effects of testosterone on the mental, that is brain. It makes us more aggressive and having active attitude. It also increases attraction towards opposite sex, that is known as libido. And body conformation, it generally broaden our shoulders and enlarges our muscles, masculine growth of the muscles. So these are all about the actions of testosterone, that is the external genitalia, internal genitalia, voice, hair, mental and body conformations. Now coming to the control of the testicular function. Generally FSH control Sertoli cells, stimulate Sertoli cell, works on Sertoli cell, and it also stimulate ABP and inhibin secretion. While LH acts on Leydig cell, and Leydig cell, while LH receptors are present on the Leydig cells, and on binding of LH it will start synthesize testosterone, and if testosterone amount will increase, it will give negative feedback to LH. And the testosterone released from Leydig cells and this FSH